What is up, guys? It's your boy Manny from the Art of Finance, and in today's video I'll be going over my Vanguard, Trading 212 and crypto portfolio for the month of August. So as you can see in this page, you can see a total of all of my investments broken down in this pie chart. As you can see, a lot of my money is based in the S&P 500, the FTSE 100 and currently in my cryptocurrency, which is Ethereum. Alongside that, I also have some other investments. I will go ahead and break that all down for you. So for the month of August, for my cryptocurrency, is going really well. Bitcoin has been recovering and we've seen it hit 35k, which I'm very happy about. A lot of crypto people are also happy about, because when Bitcoin goes up, all of the other cryptocurrencies follow suit. As you can see, in the last 30 days, I've made £2,958 with a 27.8 return rate. From yesterday's profit and loss, I was down by £50 for the daily. As for me, it's also just being in it for the long game, as I invest into cryptocurrencies that I do truly believe in. One of them being Ethereum. Ethereum has been doing very well, and that is currently where a large amount of my profits are. As you can see, in terms of my total profit, I am up by £3,290, and that is due to my Ethereum that's actually gone up quite a lot in price recently. So I thought this is a quick breakdown to show you cryptocurrency is going back up, and hopefully it stays. If this sticks, this will be quite good for all of us. So you can also see that I have 8% in VeChain, which is actually in a profit now. My Bitcoin is recovering, and only my Fader is not doing so well. Hopefully it does bounce back and it does recover like the rest of them, but it might just take a bit more time because it is much smaller. In terms of my meme coins, I'm still invested in SaveMe, and I thought it'd be a quick, nice breakdown to show you what the chart is looking like. So as we can see, I'm currently still in a profit of nearly £700, and we've seen a slight recovery of SaveMe, and that's probably due to Bitcoin being recovered as well, but it's gone back down. Now I'm not too fussed. Hopefully I do see it recover a bit more, and I'm thinking about an exit strategy now, as I've been holding on to SaveMe a lot and not much has been happening. Hopefully if we get to the 0.5 mark, I might actually look to sell it, as I do want to put my money into different investments, as I feel like with meme coins you do want to find an exit strategy and get out of them as soon as possible, because it's not something that's very tangible in the long suit. Moving on to my Vanguard account, you can see it's doing really well. I've got a rate return of 40%, which last month was around about 36 to 38%, and now it's gone up to 40, which I'm very happy about. So I invest £600 every single month to buy on the dips, buy on the highs, so that way I'm accumulating more shares every single month. Now you can see a total that I'm invested in is £9,800, and the investment has returned to me is £2,339, giving me a grand total of £12,139. This is really nice to see your money grow. Just over a year pretty much of investing, to see £2,300 pretty much grow out of nothing is really amazing. And these two that I'm currently invested in is the S&P 500 and the FTSE 100. So you can see how much I've put into each one, and you can also see how much they're giving me back. So as you can see, from the month of July to August, you can see there's a fair amount of differences. So in terms of the gross returns, the FTSE 100 was giving me 26%, and this month it has increased to 30%. In the last month for S&P 500 it was 42%, and in this month it was 48%, both giving me an increase. So the FTSE 100 last month was doing £605, and this month it's gone up by £130. For the S&P 500 it was 1,400, and now it's 1,600, give me a £200 profit, making my profits for this month go up, and it's good to see that it's also increasing. So you could also see the capital returns rate alongside both for each month. So if you want to know what I'm currently invested in, so the top 10 investments that I'm invested in throughout the S&P 500 and the FTSE 100 is Apple, Microsoft, AstraZeneca, Royal Dutch, Unilever, and so on and so forth. And in terms of the sector allocation, you can see that I'm highly diversified in different sectors. And you can see I'm diversified in the IT sector, financial, healthcare, consumers, staples, industries, and so on and so forth. Now this is really good to see, so you could get a visualization of what you are currently invested in and which of your investments are doing the best, because you're diversified. When you invest into the S&P 500 and the FTSE 100, you're investing in so many different companies. You sort of want to know which ones are doing the best, and this is a good way to see it. Moving on to my Trading 212 portfolio, as you can see that I have a return rate of £283.87 at a 12.16% return rate. Coca-Cola, something that I do truly believe in, and I'm definitely holding it for the long term, as I want to hold this into the future because I believe in the company and I believe it will grow. So right now it's giving me a return rate of £237.47, alongside with GameStop, something that was more of a pot shot and more of a punt, and it's returned me £45 so far. I've seen it go up to 110 and I want to see it grow even more further. Let me know if you're still holding stocks like GameStop, BlackBerry, and the other big ones. Moving on to cryptocurrency, here's a quick breakdown. As I said before, we've seen Bitcoin hit the 35k mark, which is excellent, and it's kind of recovering to where it used to be, around the 45k mark. Hopefully we see Bitcoin recover, as it's not too far away, to be honest. Let's see how it will do in the long run. Moving on to gold. Gold has also made a slight recovery and it's bouncing around the 1300 mark. I was wanting to buy some more gold, but at the moment I'm sort of just holding on to it because I feel like I can put my money into different investments, as it will make me a lot more money compared to gold. Gold is a very good place to store your money as it beats the rate of inflation, so it's also a good option to also invest into it. Now moving on to silver. Here's something that's quite different. As I've been saying for the last couple of months, silver has been fairly stable between the £20 and the £18 price mark. But as we can see, we've seen a fair amount of a dip. Now, is this dip worth buying? I would say potentially it is actually fairly well, because it's fairly just broken out of this dip and it has actually recovered. If you did buy some silver and you saw it at the right time, well done to you, because if that was me, I think I would have bought. But at the moment, the price is still right. I think it's still okay to get into. But at the moment, if I see it do dip once again to that low, I'll probably maybe pick some up, as I think it'll be a nice idea to diversify a bit more, as I don't currently own any silver. I am looking to own some silver because I believe that it's used throughout so many different industries at the moment, especially with the hype of electric vehicles coming out. So I believe it's a long future play. But with silver, it's very, very volatile in terms of short selling. So that's something you could always slip on the short run, but it's entirely up to you what you want to invest to. Hopefully, if it does dip a little bit more, hopefully I'll get a chance and be able to purchase some. So that has been my breakdown for the month of August. I hope you like it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on my videos, and leave a comment and drop a like, as it really does help me out. This has been The Art of Finance. Peace.